Okay. Sorry guys, I didn't on the video. I just wet my face. So today I'm just showing you about how to use a facial balm. So I have introduced a facial balm which will give you instant glow in case if you want to step out, or if you want to go out for any function, any party, you can use this, spending your 10 to 15 minutes. It's actually one time use, or if you want to keep it, and you can use it, reuse it for 2 times, but I suggest to use one time. So I'll just tell you what is a facial balm here. So it is actually used for the instant glow, and it has many ingredients in it, so which will give you, which brightens your skin and everything. And today the main purpose I'm taking video is how to use facial balms. So you just need to wet your skin first. Let me wait. Okay. I'm holding in one hand camera, so I don't have here proper facility to keep it. So guys, this is my facial balm which I'm using it, you can see. So I'll just rub this and I'll show you the instant glow. Trust me guys, this has very mild smell in it, and it's pure Ayurveda. You can use it. So you can spend 10 to 15 minutes of your time on this, so that let this complete facial balm get over. So here I'm not using 10 or 15 minutes because I don't have time. I'm just using for at least 2 to 3 minutes to show you guys how to apply and how it works. And I'll share you the video guys. And if you want to take classes for this, you can take classes online, and I'll teach you. And if you want to order this product, you can always WhatsApp me. So guys, you can see the instant glow, how I'm getting it in my skin. See, this not only give you instant to glow, because the base, usually the base what I prepare at home, because I don't buy from market. The base is like I prepare at home. How to prepare base also I can teach you guys. If you really want to start the business, or if you are looking for something like a small business, you can start with this business. It's really good, and I can teach you offline and online as well. See guys, I think it's like not even a minute. So but you need to finish off this bomb, small bomb. See, I have finished half and half is there still. Guys, it is made up of kesar, so I have used kesar. So kesar is very very good to skin. It gives you glow. And see, the main thing is Ayurveda products will give you glow for long time. Maybe it will take some time to get adjust to your skin, because all this time you have used chemical. So it will take some time to get adjusted. Don't worry about it. If you find rashes or redness in the skin, this is like for even sensitive skin also you can use. Okay, but in case if you get rashes, if you get redness in the skin, don't worry about that. It will go in a day or two. But it will take some time to adjust your skin, because everything we are using is chemical, right? So even the face wash what we use, it has a chemical parabens, SLS in it. Okay. And even we are using soaps and all this stuff. So because of that only guys, I purely wanted to go for Ayurveda, herbal products. So I'm really using these things on my children's also. So trust me guys, they are getting nice glow. And seeing my daughter, many people is asking what is that she is using. She is getting glow and all. She is 7 years old. And I'll show you the next video, before and after her skincare. Really, trust me guys, it's really good. Even my husband likes this products. I'm getting orders from many people. Even from Misho I'm getting orders, because Misho doesn't have to do GST for selling. Okay, you can sell without GST. So I just guys, I have used only half. I cannot use more because I don't have time. So just to show you guys, I have used it. So here comes, I'll wash my face quickly. You can see the glow, how nicely it has come. I feel very soft and smooth. Yes guys, so I love it. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel, share to your friends and family. Thank you guys, thank you so much.